Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. I know, running a little bit behind on starting the live. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Here's some random dog like barking outside. I don't know where it's coming from. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. See if we can catch another nice winning trade today. That one yesterday was perfect, right? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Did anybody, I'm a little late, I know. I was working on the indicator, though, for the Asia session, so it was for good reason. Good morning, everyone. Did everyone see my Instagram story? The indicator I was working on for the Asia session, pretty solid. I think you all like it. We're going to give it a try during the Asia session whenever I get it finished. I'm not for sure which day I'll I'm not for sure which day I'll stream Asia, but I'll let you all know for sure. Give you plenty of time to prepare. We have like 6 minutes till market opens. Oh yeah, we're here, Frank.
Let's go. We're here, yes, sir. We are good here. We are.
Can everyone see my screen and everything clear? Hear me good? Awesome. Good to go. I have some Tradify accounts to give away at the end of the live today. At the end of the live, I got another giveaway. I gave away Take Profit accounts yesterday. Today, giving away Tradify eval. But you have to be around at the end of the live. What's up? Good morning, everyone. What's up, David? Sorry if I'm missing the messages. A lot of messages coming in at once here between everything. Yeah, I gave away 3 Take Profit yesterday. I'm gonna give away probably 4. Let me see how many I have to give away of the Tradify. Yeah, I have 4 50K select evals to give away from Tradify. Good morning. Good morning, Tiffany, Mark, everyone, welcome in. Oh, yeah, I started the live a little late this morning. A little later than I typically have been, but what's up? What are you asking? What platform we're looking at the charts here, or what I trade on? Good morning. Wait, what's the difference in the charts? My numbers are correct, right? Let's see what my trading view is at. Yeah, this is correct. Everything's good to go. Good morning.
We got 2 minutes left. 1:45.
I was trying to add I built an indicator for us to try the Asia session together. And I'm trying to code in a dashboard that shows basically basically back test, but I don't know if it's something I'm gonna be able to do. Can't get it right. But the indicator's finished for the most part. The strategies, I've back tested the strategies as good as I can. I feel like at this point we're just gonna have to try it maybe next week, so see how we do. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Can Grizzology be used on TradeAvate? It's for TradingView only, but I recommend just use TradingView charts to chart with, and just trade off TradeAvate separate, or just link your TradeAvate to TradingView, whichever one you prefer. Grizzology's for the session we're about to trade now, the New York. The indicator I built was for Asia only. All right, everyone, the market's open. How much for one contract you normally trade? I mean, if you use TradeAvate, I don't know what your name says. I'm gonna call you legal, but if you use TradeAvate, it's low margin requirements.
Trade smart, trade safe, choose DOD, stay focused, and let's get to the money, people.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. Share the live. Let's get rolling. Market's open. Market is open. Rise and grind. Good morning. Welcome in. Manifesting another massive trade like we had yesterday, everyone. Hopefully we can get full size on this one. That would be nice.
All right, let's get it. Let me go ahead here and mark out my pre-market levels as well. Where's that low?
I have to mute to concentrate sometimes, but I'll be on and I'll keep the Team Bull on and off, okay? Any questions, drop them in the comments, the chat here. How many trades have we caught this week? What, 3 total? 1 winner, 1 loser, and 1 break even? I believe that's right. Good morning, Nick. Good morning, all 30 Nicks we have in the live. It's been a long week. Has anyone else just felt like this week's been extremely long? Good morning, Josh. How do you get into the drawing for the giveaway? Well, I'm going to give away some Tradeify evals at the end of this live. Just be around. I just randomly select people out of the comments. That's the only way I know how to do it. Good morning, everyone. Sorry, YouTube, but my chat was not keeping up with you all. It froze. What's up, Keith? Welcome in, everyone. Hang out, ask questions, talk in the comments, whatever you all want to do. Nice, boss DJ. Protein shake. I had a protein shake after the gym this morning, Alexander. I actually bought one at the gym because I cooked every morning this week. I was like, I'm not cooking today. So I just grabbed a shake. 50 grams of protein. Right now I'm sipping some tea though. Nothing yet. Nothing's catching my eye yet, everyone. Someone's dog like must be loose outside because I hear like a massive, sound like a large dog just going crazy. So I guess down the road or something. I got one, Ryan. I have one. There he goes, ET. I don't know why it's not letting her. There we go. Approve that comment. What's the new Grizzology update? Added confirmation on the supply and demand is the biggest part. Added makes it higher probability in the supply and demand zones when we confirm. Go pet that dog. Dog have to wait till after trading for me to pet it. We got money to make. Not my dog, some random dog running around outside, sounds like. What's everyone's favorite setup right now? When's the orb strat? It has to be after the first 15 minutes at least. 15-minute range has to form. Nothing you like, Andy? I would consider this previous day high area if we push up for a possible reject, but if it goes through it, wicks above it, I'm just gonna call it invalid. So we'll see what happens. Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. So if I trade some Asia session next week, who's gonna join me? We try out the new indicator for the Asia session. I'm going to be trading the morning session as well. Same time every morning. We're still going to do this every day, just like we've been doing. But the strategy I've backtested is pretty solid for the Asia session. It's only for a ticker SIL though. That's the only one it works for, and it's for the 1 minute time frame. Yes, they do. How do you get the link to trade? You turn on your notifications on here. I'll be live on here, okay? Just like you do for this live. I'll let you know though. I'll post on my Instagram the day I'm gonna start doing it. Have a few more things to work out of the indicator first, but for the most part, it's done. Silver micros. Silver micros is what it's for. 1 minute time frame. It'll be a 6 p.m. ET start if we do it. But I must warn everyone, I rarely stay up past 10 p.m., so I don't know how long it will last. I stick with this. Nothing good happens after 10 p.m. outside the house, at least. Oh, God. Did not get to stretch after the workout. Your friend's back, Madman, on TikTok. What's up, everyone? Good morning. You all missed out yesterday. If you wasn't in the live yesterday, you missed out on a massive trade. Like, literally, nearly perfect trade. You said Greg took some longs? Hope they print for Greg. Definitely not something I can take right below previous day point of control. That is not a good place to go short ever. Right below previous day point of control, or go long rather. Or below point of control. You know what I'm saying? Anytime we see previous day point of control, these key levels act as previous day point of control act as a support and resistance in a lot of cases. So how many perfect trades we take a month? I don't know. Not many like that one. If every trade was like that one, we would all retire this year. Welcome in, everyone. Drop your questions in chat. I don't look at ES that often anymore. I mean, I may look to see how much is diverging, but other than that, that being said, I have you all to help keep me up to date on everything. So the only thing I really have to have up anymore is my NQ charts. We talk about it. You all usually let me know if you see something telling me otherwise. What was his stop loss if he's in longs? That is a massive. Oh. Is Greg still in the longs? Yeah, I'm sure he got stopped out by now. There's no way he's risking that much. Hopefully I saved you all from taking that trade. Setting up for another possible day like yesterday with this move down. I like where we're right below this pre-market low. If we get to this 15-minute range, nice strong breakout candle, we're going to take the same trade we took yesterday. Sound good? Thanks, Paula. 15 minutes. We have if I could speak, existing home sale report. What was the volume on that? Why's my volume not on? Chart in front of me. That's a nice candle. I kind of want to short. Let's see. What's the risk? 335. All right. Let's see what this candle does. That previous one had good volume. It was a nice volume candle. And Keith, I couldn't tell you. I've been mainly focused on my personal, but everyone seems to love Tradeify. The new updates and stuff, the new accounts. Share it live, everyone. Let's get it rolling. Real quick, everyone, before I see a trade setting up, I just want to do a quick check, make sure everyone can hear me and see my screen. This will be a short entry. We got 3 minutes on this candle. We need it to close strong red, high volume, preferably. I like a retest of this pre-market low. We have to see where this candle closes, Kelsey, before we know our exact entry and stop loss. We got to get our high volume candle in, which technically this closed below pre-market low. We haven't swept it. I was trying to say longs. Yeah, glad you mentioned that. But I don't think it's gonna. I don't see it bouncing here. We may have a divergence, but maybe at the Asia lows where it's gonna bounce. All right, this is exactly the type of volume candle we want to see. Hopefully we don't get too much risk on this candle. But still, that 300 area to 320 will be where I try shorts, everyone. Just so you know. Right here's Asia low on the screen. Or sorry, that's high. 214. Asia low. All right, Team Bull, I'm watching the trade. Here's the game plan.
Shorts, huh?
Yes, between my entry will be between 303 and 320. I'll let you all know. This candle is wicking back up though last minute, so let's see. My trade of it's working. Is everyone else's working? Come on. This candle's about to close strong too. Wow.
Jeez Louise,
What
oh,
was
yeah.
that? It made a new.
Gosh.
That's the higher volume than the previous.
Alright, game is on, guys.
Than the opening candle.
Games. I'm looking for a retest back up to around, let's see, 325.
BF44 says the most boring stream. I appreciate it. Now that you said that, you can leave if you like. Kinda am boring though. Like, people come in, think they can hurt me. I've been day trading for years. You can't hurt me. Yeah, for real, Keith. I just want a little bit higher, man. Our stop will be at the top of this. 324. That's where our stop would be. $324. If we can get in this trade, it will quit selling off. It would be nice. I just want a little bit higher, everyone. I would like this to get in around that 300 since we've only got 24 points worth of risk. I didn't get an entry up there, everyone. I didn't get to my.
Nope.
I was gonna try it closer to that 300 and keep my stop at 324.
I was trying at 290.
Oh, we might get it here.
Come on. All right. I'm testing a piece of shorts up here, guys. I will add.
That was Jay Dunn, not me. I'm not in, everyone. I'm not in. That's Jay Dunn talking, so that's clear. That's not me.
The area I like, guys. With hard stops above 324.
Shorts are the way, Keith, today, I believe. If we can get an entry. We gotta have the proper wrist award, though. Or I'm not taking it. Not about to give back my profits from that massive trade yesterday.
Come on. Come on, Bubba. Come on, Bubba. Move down. My hard stops are at 324, everybody.
Come on. A little bit closer. I'm not in a trade. No, I'm not in a trade. We get up to this 300, I'm going to try some shorts. I'm actually keep my stop above VWAP, everyone. Which is right at the top of that candle, so I guess either way is good. We have data at 10, yes, so 5 minutes we have some data dropping. It may go to low day without me. I just, gonna stick to her plan. I would rather follow her plan and miss trades all day than develop bad habits with you all, or have you all develop bad trading habits. Be sure you hit the follow, go live every morning. Thanks, Jeffrey. We'd have had about 34, 35 points worth of risk up there. I wanted a little less. I might have to turn up the filters for the dashboard, make it not as sensitive. I hope he gets mega trade. Just wasn't for me, everyone. No big deal. Plenty of trades to come. Oh. I mean, yeah, sometimes the dashboard makes us miss out on some trades, but it saves us from a lot of bad trades, though. For sure. We have some nice zones below, though. Nice, Alexander. Love seeing Jay Dunn catch a nice trade, though. It's been a tough week. Nice. Make sure you hit the follow. There's plenty of setups still. Hang around. Remember, we still have the giveaway at the end of the live today as well. Some solid volume on all these candles. Jeez. I'm okay missing that entry. I didn't get to where I wanted. We had a monster trade yesterday. We might still catch one today if we're very patient. We have to be patient. That point of control looks decent. For a short entry, everyone. I tried light size of shorts up here. I'm just gonna go light here, everyone. I tried some shorts here, everyone.
As a reminder, guys, if you guys did make
You
money
hear me?
on that, don't give back your gains, everybody. Please.
Light size of shorts at point of control. I'd like to get low day, honestly. That'd be ideal.
It is a 2-bar setup.
Low day.
It is a 2-bar setup. I hope you get it. Reminder, everybody, please don't take trade after trade. If you guys made money on that first trade, there's no reason to take more. There's absolutely no reason to continue trading.
Unfortunately, it didn't get high enough for my entry on the first one.
That was sniper. I just took it based on the 2-bar. About 30 points of risk. You have another 2-bar here, though. I see what you're. I smell what you're stepping in.
Well, we're retesting this point of control, so if we're gonna sell back, if we get above this, we could climb. So I'm not really looking for shorts once we get reclaim this 252 any longer. In my opinion, this is the last short opportunity today, at least.
Let's see what the high is. 275. Yeah, I mean the setup looks good.
If we get low day out of this, it'd be a nice trade, everyone. All right. There we go. Keep going. Go down, not up. All right, we can trim. Take a trim here, everyone. Move your stops to entry. There we go.
Good shot, Grizzly. That 2 bar is going crazy.
I don't even know what
Our
2
highs
bar
going
is.
Crazy.
I'm gonna have to learn your 2 bar strategy.
Well, it pays. It's crazy.
All right, 179. Low day is the next trim, everyone. Get ready to trim. Hopefully we just rip straight down here.
All right, please. Goodness gracious, everybody. If you made money on those trades, enjoy your day. Stop trading, please. Choose DOD.
Oh, the winds are back. It's a tough week to catch a trade for me.
Set your stops, break even, and enjoy your morning.
Come on, just keep going down. We don't want to get stopped. We want to hit a low day here. Don't chase if you're not in this. We already got a nice trim off. Nice. This will be a winning trade no matter what happens now for us. So don't chase.
Hey guys, I see I'm gonna stay like this with a small profit I made. One green, one red, beautiful profits. I think that would be all for me.
My stop was in the 40s, everyone. I don't know what your entry was on this, but if it pushes up any further, I will be out of this trade completely.
I got my first payout because of you, Jacob.
Oh.
Let's go.
Jesus Christ. Still in. I got a good feel close to that point of control. But if we push up any higher on this candle, I will be out of shorts. Green trade regardless. Move down close to 50 points. Come on, there's no point for it to push up any further. Ideally, we take this down to previous day low. Now that would be a nice trade. I'm hanging in there. Still have a piece of my position.
Me.
All right, everyone. I'm putting my stop at the. I'm putting my stop.
Let's
At,
go.
can you all hear me?
Actually, I was just talking, Grizzly.
All right, my bad. I'm putting my stop at the top of this candle.
I can hear you. Let's go, baby.
Push down.
Beautiful.
There we go. That's what we want. Come on, give us a low day. It was like 2 points from my stop. Come on, push down. I want to give this trade a little room because this previous day low, if everyone can see it on my screen, is my final price target, 25,058. So we have some serious room down still. So give this trade some room, okay? Trim, to hit my trim.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Beautiful. There's a user guide for Grizzology, and once you get it inside the community, it comes with Patricia. Step-by-step user guide, text. Nice trade, everyone. Nice. Told you all. We had that losing trade. When was it? Tuesday? Tuesday. And yesterday was a massive winning trade. And today we've caught another big trade. So, green week. I take off, every time I trim, I take off half my position. Until I have no more. Oh yeah, it's a green year. We've been crushing it. Need to make a trade recap on this trade. It was a little different setup than what I usually take, but it was still valid. We had nice confirmation. We had that point of control for our entry.
You guys gonna watch the free live training of the 2-bar strategy if you guys are confused on what happened today.
Any advice on motion? Yeah, if you get too stressed out in a trade. Oh, Greg talking to me. Hold on. I got some good advice. What's up, Greg? Sorry, I missed what you were saying there.
I'm just asking you where to trade.
Oh, I'm still in this trade. I want to see if we can get this previous day low. It's quite a ways down, but I don't see why we wouldn't at least touch this supply or this demand below.
Right now it looks good. There's nothing saying it's gonna trend back up.
And that's what I'm saying. It looks good. At least, I'm going to try to at least hold until 107. The top of the demand. But previous day low is 25,058. I got my stop in profit, so if it pushes up too much, it will catch it on the runner. What a nasty trade. How'd everyone like that trade? We're winning. We're green on the week. Told you all, one good trade will make your week. And this, yesterday was a big one, and today a big one. So we should be nice and green.
We're only 45 minutes in. That's crazy.
Do not forget to pay yourself today, everyone. If you've made money this week on your personal, pay yourself.
Oh, whoops, that's the wrong link.
Whenever you when you're stressing about a trade, you're either oversized during the trade, or say you come in here right at market open, you're feeling anxious. Go for a walk, hit some push-ups, do some, calm yourself down and get your mind
If you
straight.
haven't watched it yet, be sure to watch my 2-bar training on YouTube.
Oh. Real quick, everyone. Well, this is about to stop me out on my runner. If it pushes up much further, I'll let you all know I'm still in as of now. All right. Got me out of the trade there. Trade's over for me, Team Bull. That's it.
Guys, please no more trades. I'm begging you. Team Bull, keep your money. Keep your money. Trade.
Trade is over. Real quick, everyone. I want to say something. If you all want to try funded accounts, you don't want to risk your own capital, you don't like trading personal, whatever, or you just want to get some capital to put in your personal and trade, go to grizzlytrades.com. Look at Take Profit. They Take Profit, Apex, Tradeify, top 3. Check them out. Use code Grizzly. See which one works best for you. If you want to skip the evals, it's more expensive. Okay, a lot of people ask me about this. You can use Tradeify. They have straight to funded, but they're more expensive and the consistency is a little tight. So just be aware of that. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna be around. I want to see if we can catch another trade. I see one more setup I'm watching. Is that cool with you all? I know we made a bag already, but I still want to make more. Our light size trades have been massive. We've been light size, but point wise, they've been adding up nicely, right? I want to show you all that new indicator, but I can't right now until it's exactly what I want. We're gonna try it out during our Asia sessions next week. Hopefully, I'll make sure to announce the first day I go live for the Asia session as well. Nice, Nick. ZT, it's a new indicator I've created. I had a Grizzology subscriber ask me yesterday what I'm gonna do with it, and honestly, I don't know if I'm just gonna use it to trade the Asia session with you all, or should I just include it in Grizzology? No idea, Kelsey. All the Grizzology subscribers, that would be something you like, just adding the indicator in. Who's adding me? Oh, that's people posting their gains in Team Bull, I guess. Wait a second. Yeah, that's what it was. People tagging me, posting their gains. I made some money off that. ZT says Grizzology already paid for itself, managed 2 payouts this year. That's awesome, ZT. I'm glad it's helping. I hope everyone likes the new supply and demand confirmation I added. Whatever you like. I like that song. Oh. Well, that's a good problem to have, CMS, but if you blow a funded account, do you got to do the eval over? In most cases, yes, but Take Profit has the option. If you blow your funded, you can reset it, but it's pretty expensive, and I don't know if it makes sense to do so. You'd be better off just starting the eval over, I believe. That is my 2 cents. Okay, Matthew, that's a good question. So on Tradeovate for I can't think of it right off the top of my head. I got it written down. I may have to go grab my notebook. What's the margin requirements for trading SIL on Tradeovate? Someone, can you look that up for me so I don't have to leave the room? I'm pretty sure the margin requirements are pretty low for SIL. Maybe 1,000 per one. Part of me wants to try the Asia session today. I guess something on my mind. I just want to do it, whether it's buying something or whatever. I end up doing it once it's on my mind. And I mean, I got a small account. We'll see. Does Tradify allow you to, wait, Tradify doesn't allow you to trade SIL, does it, or does it? I'm going to look at Take Profit and see what they allow you to trade. Because I've never had to look because I've only traded MNQ or NQ. And, all of them allow that. What is it? Oh, hyperfixation? Yeah. You should see me when I'm looking for a new vehicle or something, like a big buy. Until I get it, that's all I do is research it. What is that? The bullish divergence finally showing up. What did it want? It wanted to sweep that Asia low, huh? 25,200. You're welcome, me. Have a good day. Everyone leaves after a massive trade, but hopefully we have another coming. I like the way I've been doing our second trades. Have you all noticed? Like if we get into a second trade and it hesitates, miss or trim by a little bit, comes back up, I stop out at entry. That way we don't have a red trade and give back our profits. I don't give the second trade as much room to. What did I miss, Nick? thought I caught all the questions. I have no idea. Your comment got covered up or something. Oh, it tested that point of control again. Has dad strength. Just retype your question there, Nick. Man, will you make sure I don't miss this question again? I hate when I ignore people. I promise you, it's not because I'm trying to. It's just I missed it. Nice. History. I'm glad you're here. Yeah, traitor, not a traitor. No, I commented on the, I said I was going to make a trade recap. I don't know if you heard me say that, but if that's the one you're talking about. I usually do well keeping up with the questions, though, for the most part, I think. YouTube, can we get a thumbs up to 100? We're at 86. The way we swept that point of control kind of makes me want to try shorts again, but need a little more confirmation than just the sweeping that point of control. We actually swept it that time. So this could be where we make low day. I don't even know what the hearts are for, so I don't know. We've almost got 20K likes on TikTok. Nice. Thanks, Thomas. Thomas, if I ever see you in person, I'm gonna buy you the biggest steak we can find, man. Whatever you want, whatever you want. Speaking of steak, I believe that's it. Definitely, I had sushi yesterday. After our live, I had basically ate my body weight in sushi, so. I'm looking for one. Looking for another trade. Outside Daily, we'll see you tomorrow. I'll be around for a bit, though, for those that want to hang out. Ribeye steak today? I don't know. What kind of cut do you all like? I think I may go with strip today. I like a strip. I like ribeyes as well, but I like a strip. Probably my go-to, I would say. We're gonna do the giveaway soon. Is everyone about ready for the Tradeify giveaway? Let's wait a little bit longer. A little bit longer. I want to see if we catch another trade. I don't like doing the giveaway before we're done trading. You like the burger kind? You like burgers? I like burgers as well. I just don't eat them often. Do y'all like spicy food? I love spicy food. There you go, Keith. Oh yeah, they have spice in Tennessee for sure. I'm always eating something. Yeah, I'm with you though. I don't like something that's just hot to be hot. I like it to taste good and be spicy. That's a good point. Good way to put it. Nate, I've not had the Korean fried wings. I don't eat fried food often though. Not that I don't like it. It's just... Nice. Mark. You all probably think this part's weird, but I like spicy pickled food as well. Nothing crazy, but just occasional snack, you know? All right, I appreciate that. If I'm ever in New York, use the current session range for point of control, but it also has previous day point of control right here from yesterday. See how well respected this point of control has been? Oh yeah. Those wasabi peas are good, but you breathe them in through your nose. Sometimes it can be rough. Any questions? Plenty of time for questions. We got nothing but time. So. Do y'all think we're going to reclaim this point of control or just keep testing it, eventually sell off? Kind of bear flagging, right? That's a bear flag. It's hard to see from this angle, but I see it now. We have a bear flag here for those that trade bear flags. I don't know. I don't see nothing saying not to short. Oh no, it's a bear flag. We'd be looking for shorts. This is bearish setup, and it broke out right there. So technically, your entry would have been here. You'd been in the trade. Bear flag's not one of my go-to strategies. I would possibly take this if it had been our first trade, but since we had a massive first trade, I'm not risking the bear flag. No, I don't, ZT, unless I'm looking for like a swing or something. The grizzly heater. Actually, I can turn it on. It is kind of chilly. This thing is, it ripped down when I said that. I don't know if anybody caught it, but if you did, awesome. Hope you made some money from it. That heater noise, the broke heater. Like, I want to go watch that stream where that guy's got the broke heater while he trades.
Make me alive. Make me alive.
You see anything else, Jaden, or you just hanging out?
Nope, just hanging. 3.
I want to see what happens at previous day low area. That's what I was hanging around for. We have a nice zone there. If we fall through it though, it's not worth it. I get the same people in here every day. We have a lot of OGs in here. People that's been trading with me for years. Even, long before I was doing these lives. I'm watching this zone down here, Team Bull, still. This previous day low area. I want to see what happens there. That's the last thing I like, though. Both these zones are valid, but...
What's the problem? I need to eat. What's wrong with Gene getting my meat out and beating it for me?
What are you doing over there?
I asked Gene if he would get my meat out
Alright,
and beat it for me.
I don't know if that's going to get me kicked off any lives.
I need to eat it after the stream. What's wrong with that? You guys don't have your friends, your spouse, or someone get your food ready for you?
I bet Gene's blushing.
It's frozen. What's wrong with that? Oh, you guys are sick. Why do your brains go there? What's wrong with you guys?
See, that's what happens when I unmute when it's late session. Well, it's not even late. I was thinking it's later than it is. We'll just pretend that never happened, okay? Let's just erase that. I didn't unmute, you didn't hear anything. First trade ever. Was that the one that I lost, Justin? Because the last time I traded CAT, I got caught and couldn't close out my position, took a massive loss with options. Was that the trade? Jada and I was both in it? That's horrible. That's been years ago. I wouldn't say massive, but it was more than I wanted. I couldn't close out the trade. I remember that trade well, and I don't remember many trades from the past, but I remember that one. Glad you're here, Wolf. Hopefully we're helping you out some way. You all want to hear something funny while we're approaching this. We need to watch this zone, everyone. But I'm not making fun of anyone in any way. I know it sucks when people get scammed or whatever for crypto. They click some weird link or have some fake Grizzly or account come into your DMs, try to take your money. But anyways, this one guy come into Team Bull once, and some fake J-Dun account, he gave some crypto to them. And he come in there, he was like so mad. He's like, you are just scammers working together, like thousands of members. Like he just thought everyone, this was like, this whole group of scammers trying to take his crypto. When we don't even trade crypto. I mean, come on. We don't day trade crypto at least. It's wild. Which I don't blame him. Uh-oh. Internet doing weird things. I'm not still holding shorts. I stopped out. I had my runner stop in profit and it came up enough to get me out of the trade. A good starting point, honestly, is just hanging around these live till you learn, get a good feel for everything, understand the language that we speak here. Focus on learning what the stock market is, how it works, and we'll go from there. Once you learn that, ask me again. I'll give you something else to focus on. Best books to read. That's a good one, Scott. I haven't read many trading books in a long time. I always recommend the same one that really kind of helped me put things into perspective. And that was the price chart. Hold on. What's the name of that again? Reading price charts bar by bar is a good book. It's boring. I mean, I won't say it's boring. It will put you to sleep because it's a hard read, if that makes sense. But it's worth it. It's worth the fight through it. Three to five MNQ is all you need if you trade with me. 3 to 5. We're finally at this zone, everyone. Let's see what we do. That bear flag was it. I hope someone took that bear flag. Someone. Nice, Thomas. Thomas took it. Nice. A lot of people took it. Y'all giving me FOMO for not taking it. Why didn't you tell me to get in the trade? I hit a heavy leg day this morning, everyone. And I stand up trading. I'm suffering over here. We got so much aggressive sell volume, I'm afraid to take it. I would be surprised if it could confirm this, because my recent update with Grisology, it adds in volume now. Like volume plays a big role in the confirmation, along with Delta. So we got multiple confirmations for Grisology to confirm in supply or demand. So Any questions? If I've missed any? If I have, I do apologize. You kept asking if I was going to take the point of control. Oh, no, we took it earlier. That's the trade that we called earlier. The big winning trade we had. Oh, only if Grizzology confirms in this zone, I will try longs, everyone. But it has to confirm. And it has to be a candle close. It just can't, can't take it until we get a confirmation candle and close of the candle for a demand bounce. Are we oiling up? I don't know about that. Sometimes DMs I get, I really think people are into stuff like that though. I get some crazy DMs from people. Just some weird stuff. Let's see what happens. You heading out, Austin? Have a good day. Well, we shall see. Better stick around if you all want the giveaway coming at the end of the live. If you're only trading one M, okay. So that's a good question. Do you have any advice on how I should trade your plays with 1M and Q? First off, I like to see them as our plays because we discuss them, so group effort here. But with one, if you only have one contract, right, you have two choices in my opinion. You can sell at the first price target, be done, or sell at the second price target. But if you hit the first price target, don't sell, and it comes back up to your entry, you have a decision to make. Either stop at your entry or let it hit the full stop, risking it. That's how I see it. I don't see it any other way, really, unless someone else has some better tips to drop in chat that do that often. I don't do that often, so. How do you enter the giveaway? You just hang around, and when I ask people who want a Tradeify account, you let me know in chat, and I'll pick people that, I don't know, I just kind of go through chat and pick random. I guess good comments don't hurt, so. You missed a nice trade earlier. We caught a massive, well, I won't say massive, but it was solid. Yeah, I would be surprised if we get confirmation here, but if we do, I'd give it a try. I'm glad you're here. A lot of first timers here today. I'd like to see the new faces. We've been having a ton of people join these lives. Literally, the other day we had more people on here than, more people were on this live than an NBA stadium could hold, for the most part. But Our biggest day. I think this is the biggest day we've ever had on here. What was it, last week, Midman? Or was that earlier this week? Well, close to the limit. Maybe not over, but can someone what? This candle has, I mean, it's getting some volume, but it just really hasn't moved. Right there's a possible entry, everyone. A fair value gap, but I'm not interested in another short there right now. Welcome in, those just joining. Still looking for one more trade. We caught a massive, or a nice trade earlier. Oh, sorry. He says my heater's warming up his house. Definitely loud enough, huh? Loud enough. Definitely, I think I've got my. I may need to get a couple of you all to help me. Maybe pick one or two to that know about trading silver, the Asia sessions, to back test my indicator a little more. It never hurts to have a couple eyes on it, you know, a couple different opinions. Appreciate you, Thomas. What a move down. I was sticking around to see what we do in this zone here. If anybody was wondering.
What's up, Grizzly Glock? You don't usually stay on this long with me. Happy to see you.
I've been trading later recently. I don't know what's wrong with me. Just the moves have been coming. What was I gonna say? I was gonna ask you something.
Did you hear the story I was telling with how I found the guy that vandalized my car earlier? Or were you not on the stream?
No, I didn't hear you. Found him? Did you talk to him? Actually speak to him?
Yeah, so get this. So I got a bunch of leads on social media. I mean, that my stories get like 40,000 plus views. That video got like 60,000 views. So I got a good lead. And I messaged this guy on Instagram. And I was like, hey man, you know, I own this car that I heard that you vandalized from a very good source. Is this video and picture you? And he goes, well, it sure as hell looks like me, but unfortunately it's not me. So I said, this video isn't you. He goes, I can tell that video is Sora AI. I can see by the watermark. So he starts telling me the video is AI. So I'm like, all right, you're kind of ratting yourself out. But again, I'm telling him I'm not angry, which I'm not. I'm genuinely not angry. I just want him to say sorry. I said, I just want you to say sorry, own up to it, and I want to know why you did that and see if I can help you to live a better life. Because right now, the path you're on, vandalizing people's stuff and living so angry, full of hate, is just, it's not going to be a path you want to go on. So, we're talking back and forth. He's being really weird. In the last message I sent him, before he blocks me, I said, I messaged you on my main account at JDunn Trades. You can message me there if you like. If it's you, truth will come to light. I'm not angry. I don't care about the money. I want to speak with whoever it is and help them. I come from poverty, a dad in prison, and made something for myself and don't like that path for anyone else. Take care. He then proceeds to block me and delete his Instagram account as a whole. I'm like, bro, if you didn't tell me you were guilty before, now I for sure know you.
So what's the next move? You just let the cops deal with it, or what?
I did. I told the cops his name. I tried to help him. I wasn't even going to tell the cops his name. I was going to say, I don't want to ruin his life because it's a felony. He damaged 4 cars. Like, he's going to get in a lot of trouble. There's a lot of damage. I didn't want to ruin his life. I wanted to talk to him genuinely just as a man, because clearly he's lost. Clearly he's not in a good spot. So I told him, not angry. Bro just blocks me and deletes his Instagram account.
That wasn't suspicious.
Yeah, right? So I tried. I genuinely wasn't angry. But now the cops can handle it. And they have his name. They have his info. Bro got himself cooked. He had a chance to just say sorry, and it all goes away.
That's the thing about it. Even with like trolls or just people like that in general, most of the time when you find out who it is, you end up feeling so bad for them.
Yep.
They're just in a bad place. It makes you wonder what got them there, you know?
Bro said you snitched? Sir, bro vandalized 4 cars. Yeah.
If he vandalized your car, I mean,
My car, dude.
That's not snitching.
Most people would not get grace. I think I handled it very nice. I gave him a chance. I genuinely, if you would have just said, you know what, I'm sorry, I was angry, this, that, and the next, I genuinely wouldn't have given him a call. Genuinely, I wouldn't have.
You think so? Art of home?
I don't, and there's a reason why I have his name.
Sometimes, I've been doing this for a while, but sometimes I get caught off guard by the random comments.
Like, I don't want to ruin bro's life. Otherwise, I'd post his name and I'd have all my detectives on my Instagram story going after him. I don't want that for him. I don't want to ruin bro's life. He made a stupid mistake. People make mistakes. I get it.
All right, that setup is invalid. So is it time for a giveaway, everyone? You all ready for some Tradify accounts? I got 4 Tradify accounts to give away. I'm going to pick 2 from TikTok and 2 from YouTube. I wish I had more, but that's all I have. Let's see, who wants one? Thomas, you can definitely have one, my friend, on TikTok. Thomas, you have to DM me. Best place to DM me is on IG, Instagram. You can find all my socials at grizzlytrades.com, everyone. But Thomas, you can DM me on TikTok if you'd like. Kayla on TikTok, you can have one. Now it's time for YouTube. The Bullish Wolf on YouTube. Kareem Lopez on YouTube. I picked 4. It's random. So, there we go. If you didn't win, don't worry. I will do plenty of giveaways. I'm trying to get everyone. I just need to talk to some of the big guys at the props. Like, okay, let's get you in this stream and let's give everyone a free account. That's what I need to do. See if I can make that happen. That'd be cool. I don't know if I could. I don't know if I have that much pull, but I can try. Yes, you can. My heater, you can have it, but it's going to cost you. I don't know if you can afford the heater at this point. It's the only reason people join the lives. I guess I'll see you all in the morning, right? If I decide to hop on Asia session today, I'll make a post on my Instagram. So if you're not following it, go to grizzlytrades.com and follow my Insta, okay? Best place to reach me, DMs, whatever. And reminder, everyone, I would never reach out to you first. If there's some fake grizzly in your DMs, it's not me. Just a heads up.